What's up, YouTube? It's ReallyRick. Now, I've been to the hospital for, some pretty strange reasons. Well, today I was at the hospital yet again, as you can tell by my wristband. In fact, let me display the little thing right here. I don't know if you can see. See, Baylor University Medical Center. Well, the reason I was at the hospital today, and because the hospital's right behind me, I've had the hiccups now for 7, 8, 9. I've had the hiccups now for 19 hours. I woke up at midnight and had the hiccups and didn't think anything of it. And I have tried everything to get rid of the hiccups, and it's gotten to the point where my chest is starting to hurt, my throat is starting to hurt, and I was playing WoW, and we were on Ventrilo, and we were running Black Temple, and everyone in the raid was fucking laughing because I kept hiccuping. So the Baylor Hospital gave me a little list of things to try to treat hiccups, and I thought some of them were funny, so let me read to you what they recommend that I do. So I went to the hospital, and they did a chest x-ray, and they took they took blood, and there's like, well, there's really nothing we can do for you because you need to have hiccups for 48 hours before it becomes a problem. But here are the physical maneuvers that they want me to try. Breathing into bag, drinking from opposite side of glass, swallowing granulated sugar, ice water gargles, forcible traction on the tongue. I don't even know what forcible traction on the tongue is. Biting on a lemon, catheter stimulation of nasopharynx. I don't know what that is. Valsalva maneuver. Again, I'll probably have to Google these. Breath holding, and if you don't think I haven't tried that one already, I've tried it forever. Fright. They actually have fright on here, so I guess getting scared can take it away. And then it says noxious odors, inhaling ammonia. So I'm going to try the breathing into a bag. I'm going to try the drinking from the opposite side of the cup. They said you want to do that and bend it forward, but this is the longest I have ever had hiccups. And it fucking hurts like you wouldn't even believe. And it feels like I want to throw up and everything. Oh, and they did give me a prescription. Yay, look, they gave me a prescription for something called Phenergan and something called Protonics. So, yeah, wonderful. But it was actually good. I got in and out really quickly. And they were laughing because my hiccups were so loud that they were like, wow. So if I still have these hiccups in like 24 hours, then they want me to go back to the hospital, and I don't know what the hell they're going to do, but I just thought it would be a funny little video so you could watch me suffer in pain with hiccups. So I'll talk to you later, YouTube. Bye.